Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today I have my little baker here and he's going to show us a beautiful yummy cookie recipe. So let's get straight into the video.
Welcome to Foodland, and today I am going to be taking over this recipe for butterscotch and white chocolate chip cookies. So what we will need for this recipe is 3/4 cup of brown sugar, a 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of butterscotch and white morsels, 2.5 cups of flour, and in this bowl right here we have 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda plus 1 teaspoon of salt, and here we have 1 stick of butter, and here we have 1 egg, and we have the vanilla extract. All right, so let's get straight into the recipe. So we will need our wet ingredients, and we are going to combine all of these plus sugar so that we can get our efficient buttery mixture. So first we're going to add butter to the bowl. This is microwaved or room temperature butter. We obviously microwave. So let's just have both of our sugars here. We're just gonna dump all of that in. And we're gonna whisk this up real fast so that we can get a butter and sugar mixture. Okay, so we're gonna take our vanilla extract and just put a really tiny splash in there. Be very careful. There we go, that's perfect. And now, let's break 1 egg into the mixture as well. There we go. And now, let's whisk this together until we have a paste-like consistency. As you can see, that's already forming with the egg as well. Whoa, and look, just like that, we have our wet ingredients all mixed up. Now, we're gonna whisk in our dry ingredients. But first, we have to combine our dry ingredients right here. We're just gonna combine the baking soda, salt, and flour to this bowl. We're gonna add the chips later so that we can try to fold them in instead of whisk them in so that the chips stay whole. So now, just grab a fork and whisk together all of the dry ingredients, and then we can start putting this inside of the wet ingredients as well. That we've whisked that together, let's put in a little at a time. As you can see, I only put in like 1/4 of the bowl, and we whisk it in because we don't want the dough to get way too thick. That is not going to be a good cookie. A little more. Add in about half of the flour, and let's see how it is. As you can see, it's starting to turn into like a dough-like structure. So we might not even use the rest of the flour, but I think that we might need a little bit more in this mixture. Still kind of sticky, so this would be a good brownie consistency, but we're not making brownies, we're making cookies. So we gotta put in a little more of the flour, not too much. Boom, as you can see, we have that there. Put in about 3/4 of the entire thing, and I think that should be perfect. Okay, so I just added the rest of the flour, and as you can see, we can no longer use our whisk. We're gonna start having to use a spatula or some kind of folding device, which we have one of these right here. So if you can find something that looks like this, that'd be perfect for this. So yeah, so let's just fold in the rest of the dough. As you can see, it's folding real nice, and that's exactly what you want to see. And we're just gonna fold this until we have all of the flour combined into the dough. So we're gonna put in our chips. It's real nice. Ooh, that looks so good. And now let's fold in all of these chocolate chips until we have a chippy, kind of like this, but for everything. This is the final result of our cookie dough. And today we are going to be now greasing our pan. So we already greased our pan. Grab the cookies and put them on a greased pan. So what you want to do is with the palms of your hand, you want to shape them into a ball-like shape. Something like this would be perfect. So we're just going to make a couple of these ball-like shapes And after that, we are ready to start baking these. Okay everyone, so our cookies are ready coming out of a 425-degree oven. And they are looking amazing. And if you guys wouldn't mind sharing this recipe and liking the video, please remember to do that. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye!